Berbere. Ethiopian hot spice mixture. A side dish from Ethiopia. Serves
You will need
13 ingredients. Step 1. In a small frying pan, on medium-low heat, toast the cumin, cloves, cardamom, peppercorns, allspice, fenugreek, and coriander for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Remove
Step
from the
2.
pan and cool for 5 minutes. Discard the stems from the chilies. In a spice grinder or with a mortar and pestle, finely grind together the toasted spices and the chilies. Mix in the remaining ingredients. Step 3. Store berbere refrigerated in a well-sealed jar or a tightly closed plastic bag. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.